Okay, my name is Herbert and I come from Lima, Peru. Yes, and I'm a MT, a massage therapist. I expected to learn more techniques to work with my clients. Although I'm an MT, a massage therapist, I work with craniosacral therapy. So usually my approach is more from the craniosacral point of view. I also work with some visceral manipulation and some other manual techniques. But anyway, my expectations were to really give a whole meaning and maybe understanding more what osteopathy was about. And I think I have now a pretty good idea. My experience has been that there's very different approaches to the body other than the ones I learned already, and that I can be more creative as well, and with the knowledge of anatomy and physiology, it makes lots of sense to me why the techniques in osteopathy are built like they are. So overall, it's a good learning experience for me to give shape to the knowledge I had intuitively with me, but now I can really understand why things work the way they work and why techniques work as they do. Mm-hmm.